Hi everyone, I just received a package from Amazon and I thought I would share with you what I got. This is not a typical unboxing. You probably see in the title of this video. This is more of, I would say, ergonomic unboxing to improve my workspace. I've shared with you guys before that I'm having a hard time with my hands, and my hands are kind of my money maker. And I have to take care of them, and for me to take care of them I have to do a little bit something about my workspace, my home office. And with that, we have a huge Amazon box right here that have some items that hopefully will help me with my problems. Mostly, the joints, I guess, my wrist, back, shoulder, hips. Oh my gosh, I feel old. And hopefully, like I could maybe inspire or motivate some of you that also works from home or like seated for a long time or in the office. Maybe you could invest a little bit for your well-being. And these are the just few of the items that maybe you could think of getting for yourself to improve your posture or your joints, the health of your joints. So this is the very first item I got. As you could see here, these are everything it fixes. So this is a seat cushion. So let's see. Go, and I will link everything in the description below. Nothing here is sponsored, so all of these I bought myself. Here it is. This is how it looks, and it's supposed to give you a very good support, especially if you're seated for the long time. And like I've said, the nature of my job, I'm seated doing video editing, and I need something to help me maintain my posture. This is the first item, and let's get to the next one. Right? Oh, this is a little heavy. Put this video down. This one is missing. Has some parts. I better not lose them. Definitely need assembling. Now I'll show you the picture. This is a keyboard tray that I will install a little bit under my desk so that my hand will have a great position when typing or holding the mouse. So this is a little heavy. These are the actual tray. They're faux wood, I think they are, but they're pretty heavy actually. So let me just put them on the floor for now. And that's it. We'll have to set that up later. And lastly, this is for my laptop. So I actually have, other than this desk, my regular one for work, I also have a standing desk on this right side. I'll show you shortly. And for this, so I did a little research about ergonomics and what are the right posture when working. And so for the keyboard tray, I guess your hands has to be 90 degrees like this one, and that your neck is in a position that it's relaxed and can see your computer screen. So not going down, not super up, so just relax straight. And with that, because laptops are generally short, especially when you're standing, and the position of the standing desk is perfect for my hand, but then the laptop itself is a little lower, so I tend to lean downwards or bend my neck downwards, and so that's straining my neck a lot. So I'm hoping that this will help. I'm happy that this looks very straightforward, hopefully. Let's see. Looks like it's supposed to be straightforward, but I don't know why the joints are not moving. I was gonna say, are the joints already rusted as myself? And there is no instruction, but let me figure it out. Okay, it's just really stiff, but it does move. Okay, so there it is. And I'll show you my desk on this side. So here's my second desk. It's a standing table, by the way. Thank you, Chris, aka Betty Boop on YouTube, for sending me this beautiful 3D Betty Boop wall display. And so this goes right here, and I will put my laptop on top of it. So first, let me move things a little bit here. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's kind of chaotic right here. That's how it is. Go. And so now when I'm standing, it's a good height for my, for my posture, so I don't strain my neck. Oops, there's some crumbs there. Woohoo. Go. And now the thing, I have a tiny little keyboard right here that I may be able to use for it. And I don't use this as much, really. But when I do, like I've said, I need to stretch. Sometimes I can't just be sitting for the long time, so I need to stand up sometimes and do work right here. And another thing I purchased, this is a wrist pad right here. So my joints, the joints in my wrist will be more relaxed when working. And here I'll show you a little of my setup here on my actual desk, my main desk. It's a little messy right now, but here is the foam that I just got, and it's supposed to keep me, keep my posture. Supposed to help me to maintain good posture while seated. And here's another thing I bought. This again for my wrist when typing, and also I got an ergonomic mouse, so I don't keep on moving my wrist like this. Just use this. I'm actually thinking if this is a good idea, because now my thumb is the only one moving when navigating the computer screen. So I feel like sometimes I still need that alternative way to move the mouse. That way I don't strain my thumb or the joint of my finger, and for here it's always the pinky and the ring finger that gets strained for control, shift, and stuff like that. But yeah, with these things I invested on, I'm hoping that it kind of helped my pains, prevent more pains. So here, this is where I will put the tray, so it will be this height, and so it will give me a better angle for my arm when typing. So this is a little lower. This actually I got from Home Goods, and it is on clearance because it's a little tilted down, as you could see, like a Z. But I thought I bought this like 2 years or 3 years ago. I thought it's perfect for this purpose, like for my keyboard, because it's lower to my lap. But I guess it's still not the best angle for me. But yeah, so that's what I have, and it will be replaced by the keyboard tray. Yeah, those are the things that I have been buying lately. Not specifically fashion or makeup stuff, but things that will help me improve my workstation. Also got this. This will hold my phone whenever I do some videos here. I'm planning to do some live. And so, yeah, I've been investing a little bit on work stuff, I guess. So those are the things I got from Amazon for my ergonomic workstation or home office. And I will set that up and definitely show you how it looks when everything is set up, and maybe give you a mini tour of my home office, also my studio for recording. And definitely I'm hoping that this will help a lot. Oh my gosh, I feel that back pain. Help me a lot with managing my pains. Definitely I would like to see a doctor. I haven't seen, I haven't checked yet related to these pains that I'm having, but definitely I would like to make that appointment, and maybe I'll also update you with that. And yeah, that's about it for this mini Amazon unboxing. I hope if maybe you also have a home office or also have these pain problems, hopefully this kind of help you, inspire you to invest on your well-being, because I think this is a self-care kind of shopping. So yep, I mean, bags and clothes are also great self-care, but I think these are great investment on managing your body pain, especially if you work from home or work in the office and, you know, work on the computer for longer hours every day. All right, thanks again for joining me. If you like fashion, beauty, and savings, and discovering things like what we had today, please consider subscribing, and I would love to have you here. For those who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Until next time, bye-bye.